Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So here is the another tech tip on how to create drop-down list in Excel. For that, you have to select the cell where you want to create a drop-down list and then select the data tab where you have to select the data validation. In data validation, select the first option, that is data validation. Now you have to select what kind of data you want to add in your drop down list. So click on the allow option where you have to select the list. Now there is an option to provide the source of data, what kind of data you want in your drop down list. So click on the up arrow. Now this is the area where you have to select the range of data. As I have selected, now click on OK. Here is the drop-down list created in your Excel sheet. For all, you can simply drag and drop. Click on the drop-down button and select the options. In this way, you can create the different options in a single drop-down list. I hope you like this video. Have a good day ahead. Thank you all.